Bye-bye. Robert, Mom Judy.
Hello.
Welcome to our reaction channel. Today we're watching Birds of Prey. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you're new to our channel. If you want to watch our full-length reaction to Birds of Prey, you can find it out on my Patreon, link to in the description box and in the comment section down below. And as a reminder, I have another YouTube channel if you want to go check that out. The closer I get to 5,000 subscribers on my new channel, the sooner we'll react to Star Wars on this channel. So yeah, if you want to go subscribe and like and comment and share all that good stuff on my new channel as well, that'd be great. Okay, so yeah, so we have seen all the DCEU films. Obviously not this one, but you know, up to this point. And so we saw Suicide Squad where we first met Harley, and she was dating the Joker. But I haven't seen this. You haven't seen this, but I saw the trailers for this movie, and I know Harley said that she broke up with the Joker. So we're gonna see, I guess, what Harley's getting up to. So let's get into this.
It wasn't easy, but after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love.
God damn it! Sit the fuck down.
What?
I said, sit your skinny ass down.
Oh
dumb
God.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
You broke my fucking legs! Enjoy yourself, Miss Quinn, and do give the Joker my best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about it, but you don't understand. The Joker and I, our love bloomed in a highly toxic industrial processing plant.
Oh God, what is she doing? Oh. I love that I turned into fireworks.
I know.
Oh. Oh. Oh, jeez.
Do you know who I am?
You fucking bitch.
Ooh. Oh.
I thought we could build something beautiful together. I thought we could be family.
Oh, he got his face off.
Thank you.
Is that a snot bubble? Ew, gross.
Okay,
I've
dude.
changed my mind. Peel it off.
Oh,
No.
what a way to start my new life.
Oh, it's so gross.
I know. Perfect egg sandwich.
Ugh.
I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out of date. But no one makes an egg sandwich like Sal. I mean it, Sal.
Oh.
Turns out I wronged a lot of people.
Oh.
Struck.
Oh, not the sandwich.
No.
Oh. Harley's like, I spent
It took losing
my
something
money.
I truly love.
Oh, Jesus.
Fine. It was dumb luck.
You die, Quinn.
Oh, a penny.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Hi, boys.
They're just looking like, just so dumbfounded, like, wait, what? Oh, little gun shoots out glitter and big.
I know, right?
Oh, she's writing down.
Her
She
job
could
is.
yeah.
That's how Canary got herself a job driving around Gotham's newest godfather. A position, I might add, that wouldn't have been vacant without the help of yours too.
that's right, she takes those. Oh! Remember she said that she stole the diamond?
In the storytelling business, this dummy swallowing that diamond is called a complication.
Oh, God. Oh, her business card.
I'm starting up my own business. Second from the bottom.
Life coach. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Harley, just put your hand in 5 seconds. Like, if I break it enough. Oh, no.
Uh-oh. Oh, snap.
Nice.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Yeah, they got real guns.
Right? She chooses the bat with the chainsaw.
I hope she likes her bat.
Oh my God, are they?
Is that cocaine?
Yes. Oh God, Harley. He's gonna get.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Ay, ay, ay.
Now hand it over.
Yeah, not gonna happen. Cause I ate it, okay? What are you even doing here?
There are 2 ways that diamond's coming out of you. This way.
Oh.
That's what I thought.
Oh,
All right.
in a bathtub?
Named him Bruce after that hunky Wayne guy.
That's romantic.
Aren't you really?
Oh my God.
What's this?
Do you know who I am?
The crossbow killer.
They call me the crossbow killer.
They call me.
The crossbow killer?
They call me Huntress.
She calls herself fucking fabulous, if you ask me.
Oh God. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh no. These two are so weird.
Oh.
Oh.
No fair.
Oh.
Really necessary?
Jesus, dude.
That's hard to do with a straight face. I know.
Ah. Oh. Sorry.
Back the fuck up! Get away from me, all of you!
Oh God.
Shoot them. I'm just a terrible person.
Looking creepy.
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a crossbow. I'm not 12.
I love this chick. She's got range issues.
I don't have range issues!
Oh dang.
Oh.
Like dang, girl.
You are so cool. Okay, this way. Gotta go this way.
And she's on roller skates.
When the fuck did she have time to do a shoe change?
I know. What's his face is still out there. Uh-oh.
Oh.
I got you. Ooh. Aren't you glad you wore it off? Sexy and bulletproof.
Oh. Nice.
Wowzer. Oh, shit.
Hit the brakes!
Oh.
Oh. Nice.
But I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley fucking Quinn.
Nope, there's only a bullet.
Oh, right? Oh, girl, that would have been so badass if she could have hit him when she said that.
That was super embarrassing.
I took your ring.
My ring?
Dope.
Oh,
Oh!
that ring.
You drink, right, kid?
Yeah.
I love a fucking name waitress. Kid, if that burrito doesn't make you shit, I don't know what will.
Wait a minute.
We gotta clean the city from the inside out.
Does she always talk like the cop in a bad 80s movie?
Fuck you and fuck you.
What?
She's using it to fund a little crime-fighting outfit. They call themselves the Birds of Prey. And I found Bruce. He was
Aw.
wandering around Chinatown.
Oh,
I guess it proves
good.
the theory that hyenas really do have 9 lives.
I didn't want him to die.
Yeah, I made the kid my apprentice. Call me a softie. I dare ya.
Yeah, I didn't realize that this movie obviously was rated R with how many F-bombs they kept
Oh.
dropping. Well, because the rest have been PG-13, so I didn't think about
I
it.
didn't even think about it.
But I think that works with Harley because she's just so like wacky
Right.
and over the top that she kind of fits that like rated R rating. Discussion time. Birds of Prey and the something Harley Quinn. No, it was and the Fantabulous Emancipation of Harley Quinn. I
No,
think
that's
was-
funny.
I think is what it
Yeah.
was. Yeah, I like this
That
one.
was cute.
Yeah, so Harley, she was like, I'm moving on. She's
Yeah.
trying to find her own strength away from the Joker. And,
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, and then we had what was his name? His Black Mask.
Mm.
He was crazy. He's like as
Oh,
crazy
my
as the Joker.
gosh. Yeah.
He was quite wacky. And him
Right?
and what Zaz or whatever his name is, like they cut off people's faces. Yeah, I know he was obsessed with masks and faces and stuff.
Cuckoo.
And Harley, she got herself an apprentice.
Yeah,
Designed
okay.
her.
Yeah, she's cute.
I Well, if they ever make a Harley movie, like a sequel or so on, it'd be fun to. see
Oh,
that.
if they had her in it, yeah.
And so I don't know really who the Birds of Prey were.
No,
But clearly that's who they are. Black Canary, Huntress, and Montoya. I don't know if she had like a
I
superhero-ish
don't know.
name because the other ones did.
Right,
You know.
right.
Yeah. Oh, Black Canary, she had like this like massive.
Right.
Yeah,
Well, yeah.
And Huntress, she was the crossbow killer. She's not Huntress.
It's crossbow.
Right? It's a
Not bow and arrow, it's a crossbow.
She's like, I'm not a kid.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I loved how Harley, she got a hyena.
Oh
And
my
she-
god.
And she named
Bruce.
him Bruce. She's like after that hunky Bruce Wayne guy. I hope she doesn't know that he's Batman. I love that. That's
Hyena.
funny.
Oh my god.
And I was scared that Bruce died for a second.
Oh, I know.
When her apartment got
Yeah.
blown up, I was scared for a second. I was like, you can't go up, Bruce.
Oh, jeez.
But yeah, I know. Yeah, and then she blew up Ace Chemicals. Trying to showcase me and Joker were done, she said.
Yeah. I liked her outfit there at the end. Oh, she like upgraded. You know, she had all that money. I mean,
Oh
you know
yeah,
what I mean?
man, I loved all their outfits in this
I
movie.
know,
They're
I
so
know.
cute. Because on Suicide Squad, she only had the one.
Right.
But man, they gave her a ton. I love them all.
Yeah, I
She had
know.
the cute like shorts outfit, And then she had those cute long gold pants during the fight.
Yeah,
scene.
yeah.
And then when she like earlier on, like her was one big sleeve things. When, oh god. When,
Oh, yeah.
When she lost the sandwich, she was like, no.
No.
And then even early on when she was in the club, she had like cute high waisted.
Yeah.
I loved all her outfits.
Yeah.
They were so cute. And yeah, and her outfit at the end, and her new glasses, and her new like jacket and stuff. I know they're so cute. Well, I like that all her outfits. Because I know like her Suicide Squad outfit never bothered me, but I've heard some people say they feel like it's kind of objectifying because they're those short,
right.
so short.
Right.
I feel like none of these outfits were objectifying.
No, yeah.
You know, like they're super cute. But they were
wacky.
They were wacky, but they didn't feel
Right.
they didn't feel.
Yeah, I know what you mean about that. Now that you say that, but
Yeah, those shorts were short.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew there was some criticism by that. Well, I think a female directed this movie too, and I know the actress that played Harley. I think she was a producer on it. So I think just having more women work on it, they didn't want her to be so objectified. You know, wanted her just to be more like a fun, zany character, not just like a sex object.
Right.
Yeah. So I loved all of it. And Black Canary, I loved her outfit too.
Oh yeah.
I loved her pants. Like, I love high waisted blonde pants like that. They're so cute. Yeah, and I also loved her hairstyle. Like she had like the cute braids right here, and I loved her hair. That was super cute. But yeah, I enjoyed this. So.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, I'm curious to see, like, again, if they make another Harley movie, if they're gonna, like, carry on with the Birds of Prey, or are she gonna go off and do something else? Because she really wasn't with the Birds of Prey.
No.
She was kind of like those what did you say, those goody two-shoes?
Oh, yeah, call them goody two. Yeah, goody, yeah.
Good doers, or whatever she said,
right. Yeah.
I do know, I'm not someone who really reads the comics, but I do know about, like, Poison Ivy, her and Harley, like, they've had a friendship, but now apparently they've become like girlfriends or something. Like they're apparently the first like, you know, like same-sex couple in the comics or something. I'm not sure. That's what I've heard. That Harley, you know, she's supposed to be bi or something. That's surprising. Yeah. So if they ever make a future Harley movie, hopefully they would maybe include like Poison Ivy or something. That'd be cool. But yeah, so I enjoyed this.
Yeah.
So you guys we're now all caught up with the DCEU again until they start making more films. So let me know down in the comments, out of all 8 so far, which one is your favorite? Which one is your least favorite? And I don't know if I have a favorite. I don't know. I like this one a lot, and Wonder Woman, and I like Shazam. That was probably the funniest.
Yeah.
That was really funny. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction to this movie. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want to watch our full-length reaction to Birds of Prey, you can go check it out on my Patreon. And have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye.
Good night.